Tonight, the Greek Prime Minister Alexis Tsipras met here with his cabinet. They were told Greek banks would remain shut indefinitely. There would be restrictions on cash withdrawals. Greece was in the midst of a financial emergency, and the Prime Minister appealed for calm.
The deposits of Greek citizens in banks are totally safe. The payment of salaries and pensions is also assured. Whatever difficulties appear have to be dealt with calmness and decisiveness.
What prompted the announcement here about capital controls? Well, the European Central Bank decided against increasing emergency support for Greece's banks. And after days of heavy withdrawals, it left the Greek banking system needing protection. Earlier in the day, the fear that banks might be closed drove people once again to the cash machines. Only 40% of them had money in. Since Friday night, 1.3 billion euros have been withdrawn. It was the only subject at the lunch table of the Vassilides family.
People are scared. You can see it every day on driving here to the restaurant today. All the auto banks have got long queues. Everybody is worried about their money, and they're drawing the money out of the banks.
At the Finance Ministry in Athens, there was an emergency meeting to decide whether there would have to be capital controls. The fear was that an anxious public might continue withdrawing funds without the European Central Bank increasing support. One senior official promised they would take all measures necessary to ensure stability. The Finance Minister, Yanis Varoufakis, had time to join a demonstration calling for people to reject the bailout proposal from the EU-IMF in next week's referendum. But others are questioning what impact the capital controls will have on the government's support.
This is uncharted waters. This is a completely novel situation. The more people will be going to the ATMs and they will be finding that there's not enough money for them, I think this will increasingly change the way that they perceive what is going on.
A week today, Greece will hold its crucial referendum that may well determine its future in the Eurozone. The people's choice will be made in the midst of a financial crisis. Gavin Hewitt, BBC News, Athens.